There are 6 steps in total. Step 1. Measure glass dimensions. Cut a single sheet of film according to the measured dimensions for application. Step 2. Film cutting. Cutting should be performed in a dry and clean environment. Ensure a single cut-through during the operation. Step 3. Surface stain cleaning. Select different cleaning methods based on the different surface conditions. Thoroughly clean the area to be treated. After spraying water, use a towel or squeegee to scrape repeatedly until the glass is free of impurities. Step 4. Positioning. After cleaning the glass, evenly spray a proper amount of water to improve the bonding between the film and the glass. Peel off the release paper starting from one end. Evenly spray an appropriate amount of water on the adhesive side. Attach this area for final positioning. If misaligned, adjust promptly. Step 5. Film application. Apply from top to bottom, preferably adhering the central part first. Then apply from the center towards the left and right sides. Finally, squeegee out all water between the film and the glass. Step 6. Edge trimming. Use a utility knife and scraper. Trim the excess film precisely along the glass edges. Squeegee off visible water and allow to dry naturally. For exterior applied film, sealing with silicone glue shall be carried out after the water has fully dried. It is recommended to perform the edge sealing 24 to 48 hours after the film application.